Hello, people.
Hey.
You done fixing your hair there?
Yeah.
Okay. I just pretty much look the
Not
same
that I
every.
can really do anything with it.
Oh, we're gonna have some dogs visit us.
Oh yeah.
How are you? This is coronavirus coping at Back 40 Farms, number 14, I believe. I have,
Yeah, that's right.
every time I try to put all these on YouTube, I'm outside until 8:39. Eat dinner at 9:30. Anywho, not enough about
They're
my.
not there yet.
Enough,
That's what you're trying to say?
enough about my problems. I'm so tired I can't even hold up my arm. Hey, there's Trandon. There's Romeo.
Come here.
There's Rom. There's my bud. Hi. There's Luna.
Say hi, Rom Rom.
Don't snort. Okay. So, it's going to be dumping here soon, which is good because we just got all of our plastic. Hello. Oh, all of our plastic in our garden. But we're not going to show you that. We are going to show you how to make that lettuce box that we showed you about 5 episodes ago. It takes up about 3 feet by 3 It's a small amount of space. Anybody can do it. You will have, there's Tana, number 14 in a row. Go Tana! And anybody can do it, and you will enjoy fresh, awesome tasting lettuce dang near any meal. You just go out, trim it, eat it. Next day you come out, trim it, eat it. That way you get all your greens and veggies every day. And it tastes so good.
It's so good.
It's so good and so flippin' easy. So easy that we're going to show you how to do it. Are you ready? Whoop, whoop.
We're ready.
Tana says, whoop, whoop. That is so much less energy than I have. I don't have a lot of energy. Very tired. But enough about my complaining. I'll show you how to do this. We will show you from start to finish. So you will have everything you need to get going, and it's awesome.
It's literally a 5-minute job, and all you need is some very simple things that you can get anywhere. You can do this for probably less than $20, and you can eat off of it for 3-4 months.
Yeah.
So super easy. All you need is a big plastic storage tote, clear.
Get those anywhere. It has to be clear.
Gotta be clear. Light has to be able to get in. A bag. This is in ground soil. Get garden soil. Don't get like potting mix. Get some that says soil on it. I of course have organic because that's just how I roll.
That's how she rolls. And does this, when you buy one of these, should it come with the dirt on it, or?
Yeah, you like that? That's nice, huh? So super easy. All you do, take off the lid.
Take off the lid. Check.
Put it on the ground, wherever you want your garden to be. Take your soil, put it on the lid.
Do you trip while you do that? I guess I could have helped, but I'm sitting down, so.
Obviously, you want a bag that fits your lid.
And most of them will.
Knife?
Okay.
Did you already do
Step 2, I have a knife readily in my paqueto.
that? Okay,
Paqueto.
take a knife.
Can you use scissors or any sharp object?
Sure, why not? And you're just going to cut into your plastic.
Just use the tip. That's the sharpest. And you can have your dog help you if you need to.
Cut down one side,
One side.
cut down the other side.
Cut down the other side.
And then I like to leave a little strip in the middle just to give the bag a little bit of support.
Support.
So find your middle and just to the side of middle, cut down and then cut down.
Cut
So
down.
you're basically creating 2 rows.
Yeah, 2 sides.
And then you just cut out your plastic and the ends.
Wow, look at how dark and rich that growing soil is. Again, don't get potting mix. Don't get the potting mix. Don't get the blend. Yeah, that's
I'm
not.
not even gonna have to water it. I actually have to confess, this had a little corner. that
It had a
was
little
off.
corner that was
I
off.
needed to borrow some of the soil out of this bag for something else. So your bag will hold together a little better than mine is because it won't have a hole in it already.
Better than ours. Do you like how I just repeat everything you say?
It's so helpful.
It's so helpful.
Okay,
And you've given this potting soil a nice thong bikini right there.
I have.
Nice job, honey. Normally this wouldn't be
Yeah, it's kind of wet.
flippish over here
All right,
because that corner on ours is... Anyway,
now my hands are super dirty.
now her hands are super
Stop
dirty.
it.
Sorry. You come over here to your organized...
That's it. I have my lettuce already out.
Well, I can help you. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna do 4 kinds
4 kinds of
of
lettuce.
lettuce. So I'm gonna do.
Mascara.
I think I already.
For you French lovers, this is Eiffel Tower.
Tower romaine, not that one.
This is something I can't
I'm gonna
pronounce.
Trucus
Trucus
romaine.
romaine. I'm just repeating.
Landis winter.
Ooh, let me see that Landis
That's
winter.
So good. And then I'm gonna do. Hold on.
Oh, we got more. If you can look at those dirty hands.
Yeah, a little bit. There we go.
We've been in the dirt all day,
Um,
so. Now, we could have had this ready,
We could have,
but
we didn't.
now you get to see
And this.
the real process.
Gentilina.
Gentalina. Romeo, is that okay? Or do you want
You
something
can
else?
use any kind of lettuce you want. I stick with lettuces that you can cut and they'll replenish themselves. So anything that's not like a iceberg head or something like that where you want to pull the whole head out once.
Yeah, you don't want iceberg anyway because there's no nutritional value in it. That's why most salad bars and restaurants feed you that because it's cheap and there's not very much nutrition in it.
So if
Look
you've
how
never
tiny
seen
those
lettuce
seeds are.
seeds, they're super tiny.
Let me zoom in if I can. Whoa.
And so it's easy to overplant because it's hard to get a hold of just one. But, so what we're going to do is just make us a little
Little.
divot. Doesn't have to be deep. Lettuce only, really you can almost surface sow lettuce and not even cover it up.
Just throw it on the dirt and leave it? Seriously? That doesn't seem right. I really can't see the row you made there at all.
Okay. So I'm just going to drop my seeds in. And I'm probably going to have more than I need, which is okay, because if I do,
Luna's helping.
it'll just be a lot of lettuce.
Nothing with a lot of lettuce.
So I'm going to do a whole row of this.
And since this is live, we can't fast forward, so you'll just have to bear with us. Hopefully you can hang with us, because we like hanging with y'all. Booyah! Whoop, whoop. Okay, that's all the energy I have. So you're doing 1 row of this kind, which is what?
This is the Gentilina.
Gentilina. And then you're going to do another row right here. Okay.
This is going to be Landis winter lettuce. We loved this lettuce last year. It was.
Is that the kind where you took a bite and it tastes like butter? Oh, that was so good. I highly recommend this kind of lettuce. And while you're planting, I'm going to show them here. Tana says that she has some growing now in her window boxes.
The same kind?
She did not specify if it was the same kind. I'm guessing not, but that's just a guess. Romeo can help you.
My hands are a little bit damp. So I'm
Hi,
just-
sweet boy. Okay, I'm kind of trying to do a video here, Grandpa. Come up here. There we go. Romeo, I'm not holding this very still with you bouncing and licking my cheek. So, we've been outside all day and haven't looked at the news or any websites, so I don't know. All I know is it's much better than watching TV. Not avoiding what's happening in the world, but it's nice to take a break. Salad mix and wintergreen, she said. So you can just see those are just laying right on top. Now I think we're going to cover them a little bit, but you don't have to. I feel kind of like feeling like I'm doing something wrong if it doesn't have a little bit of covering for some reason. And your bag won't be floppy like this. It's just that one end.
We can tape that up.
Yeah, we'll have to.
Okay, this is the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel
You probably
Tower.
won't be able to see it all because
Let's see how small
really
those seeds
dark.
are.
And the soil is really dark. So.
Hold still there. So each one of these, oh, I can't even hold it, has the DNA of everything it needs, and all it needs is a little dirt, little love, little water, little sun. And the water part, that takes care of a lot of it. You still want to check it, but that will self water actually. So after this row, instead of doing the fourth row, show them what we do so we can wrap this up. But you'll do the same thing on your fourth. And you can do a whole bag of the same lettuce if you want. But, you know, you have that right. Oh, and then I'll go show you our box that we started in January.
Okay, so after you get all planted, if it's not already wet like ours is, give it a little sprinkle of water. Something like this, so it's not a hose that will actually gently, water it out like that. Then you just take your lid, or your bottom, depending on how you look at it. Set it over the top. And voila, you have an instant greenhouse.
Look at that, instant greenhouse. Now, let's go show them again. If you haven't seen this, we showed it a little bit ago. But this is the one that we started in January, February. So this has not been very long. But see how it just kind of condenses. Thank you. Look at that. And you can tell we have not watered this, but you can see water's on it. It's plenty moist. That's all moist. And you'll be able to come out here and cut this off, eat it, and then come back tomorrow, cut this off, eat it.
You can just pick it.
Ew, with those hands. Ew.
Yep.
How's it taste?
Fantastic.
Well, maybe I better try one now.
You eating the garden stuff already?
Yes. Okay, lovely.
Sorry. And then to get approval for this, there's my dad. He's out in the garden. You're on Facebook Live.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi.
See how good he is? So that's all you have to do. And you can check it, like I said, periodically, but just cover it up. And yes, it keeps the bugs out.
Yes, I was just going to say, it keeps the bugs
Yep.
out.
Tana beat you to it.
In our case, it keeps the chickens out.
Keeps the chickens out. Let me flop this around. So there you have it.
Easy.
Under 20 bucks. Way under 20 bucks.
5 or 10 minutes.
5 or 10 minutes. We've taken longer, and then you get a dog chasing a chicken. There's my ADHD, PhD on the QT. But if it leaks to the VC, we could be put on KP, and then it wouldn't look good on the QT. So what were we talking about?
You were going to show them the...
Oh, yeah, real quick. So we got the garden, our big garden. Got plastic laid, and it's a really neat... I'll have Lisa post in the comments the machine that does this. It's pretty slick. And there goes Luna. Luna! Come here, Luna! Oh!
And there she goes.
Ooh, wow. She's on one now, and here she comes. Come on, Luna. Can you tell she's an Italian Greyhound? All right. So we showed you this a little bit yesterday, but now look. It's got all plastic. So the whole We got 7 rows, 104 feet long, 728 feet.
Luna, stay
And
on it.
Luna's gonna, wow! She just wants to run. Sorry I'm jumping around, but she got into the meth or something. So when this machine lays it, we have one soaking tube. And there's another one in here. I promise. Romeo, what in tarnation? And this keeps all of the bugs out as well, and weeds. So we got that done today. So on that note, that's all we wanted to show you. We hope that, hey, come here. We hope, our dog's psychotic. We hope that you have a great, now is it Saturday?
Yes.
Yes, okay, now it's Saturday. Have a great rest of your Saturday. Enjoy your Sunday. When we're kind of staying at home, or we should be, we have. It's nice to have that connection, and really the connection. That's what all humans want, is connection. So reach out to somebody. I know it's not the same as being with them, but call a friend, call a family member, call somebody you haven't spoke to in a long time. I mean, it's 10 minutes. Do a video call. Stay connected. Get involved. Live, have fun, and stay safe. So until tomorrow night at 6:30, we will sign off. And apparently Romeo wants to... Oh, no. Really? We're to pets now.
Say bye.
All right. You guys have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.